Hi, let's look at these questions here. So we are going to be using the percent equation. Remember in the percent equation that the part equals the percent times the whole. Okay, so make sense and persevere. What percent of a 16 gigabyte hard drive shown is used for photos? So this is the whole 16 gigs, and 3.2 gigs is used for photos. So we're going to find the percent. So the question here is, what is the percent? So the thing I don't know is the percent. So I'm going to write, I always write it this way, part, I'm going to use the percent equation, I'm going to write part equals the percent times the whole, okay? So this time I know that the whole amount, the whole thing is 16. That's the whole. Then the part that I'm worried about is the 3.32. So I'm trying to find the percent. So what I'm going to do is I look at this equation and I see that my unknown is over here on the right. So I'm going to multiply. I would multiply 16 times P to get 3.2. So to solve, I do the opposite. So the opposite of multiply is to divide. So I'm going to divide 3 and 32 hundredths divided by 16. So when I divide that, I get, over here, I get 20.75. So it's the 0.2075, and that equals P. Well, so that's the percent as a decimal. If I want to give the percent as a percent, then I need to move the decimal 2 places to the right, and I get 20.75%. Okay, there we go. There's the first one. Okay, so in the second problem, they're telling us the cost of the shirt, and they're telling us the sale price of a shirt, and they said what percent of the regular price is the sale price. So we're finding the percent that the sale price is. So I set up my problem because the part is the sale price, and the whatever comes after the word of, that's what the whole is. So it says percent of the regular price, and that means the regular price is the whole. So I put the 30 there. So to solve this equation, I do the opposite of multiply again, and I'm going to divide. So when I divide both sides by 30, I get 0.725. So again, that's my percent as a decimal. So the percent, to make it into a percent, I need to move the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So the answer is 72.5%. So in the next problem, number 10, they are giving us the sales, they're giving this commission rate, and they're asking for the commission. So the commission is part of the sale. So the sale, which is the whole thing, that's 768. And they're giving us the percent. So if I take the percent and put it in the percent equation, I need to write it either as a fraction or a decimal. So 4% is 4 over 100. So now I need to multiply these two numbers together. So when I multiplied the 4 hundredths times 768, I get 30.72. So that's $30.72. So I worked out numbers 12 and 13 already because both of them have the same setup. In both problems, you're finding the part. They're giving you the percent and the whole, and you're finding the part. So you notice whenever you're finding the part, you're really just multiplying by the percent to get the answer. You can see at the bottom I have the answers for 16, and here's just the answer really quick for number 15. I have the problem set up because I'm trying to find the percent, so then I divide both sides by 4,000, which is the whole, and I get 0.65, which is 65%.